What's going on, dickheads? Welcome back to The Bad Chef. Today we're going to learn how to dice a carrot. Blech, Jesus. Alright, the reason why we dice our carrots is because when we dice them really finely, it increases the surface area, which means that it will cook down quicker and release its flavors better. So, we're going to dice these to a fine enough fashion. We're not going to peel them today though, because when you peel it, you get rid of all the vitamins and minerals around the skin of the carrot. And also, I don't think the skin's actually that much tougher than the body of the carrot. So, we're just going to give these a bit of a wash, and then we'll get started. Alright, to dice the carrots, top them, tail them. These bits we're going to chuck out. Then, be careful here. It rocks about like this a little bit. So, make sure that you secure your carrot. Use the edge of the knife here and just cleave down into it. And then when you're up to here, hold on to the top of it, press down. And along the crack, just slide your knife and then cleave the front of it as well. So it comes into a half like this. Now, the second part of this now. Hold it lengthwise, just use the tip of the knife, push, push, push. Our second stick is going to be here. And our third and fourth one is going to be separated like so. Cool, and now we've got 4 sticks. Now all our carrots are ready to be diced. It's time to cut our carrots. We're going to do this one at a time. So, the technique is, use your hand, put it into a bear claw, and use this knuckle to slide the knife up and down on it, right? So when you slide it up and down on that knuckle, all your fingers will end up behind it, and you won't end up cutting any of your fingers off. Also, with the knife, keep the tip on the board and slice it using a choo-choo train motion. That way you'll get a clean cut and also a safe one as well. If the carrot's gotten a little bit too thick, it's okay to lift your knife up and just slice down. Beautiful. If you're a bit ambitious, you can definitely do 2 at a time. You won't be able to use the choo-choo train motion with it, but you'll be able to do 2 at a time, which will save you a little bit of time in the long run. And there's your diced carrots. Now, of course we can cut the carrots until they're heaps smaller, but for the purposes of what we're doing, I think this is a sufficient dice size. So, each half a carrot into 4 sticks and then just run your knife along them for however many times. But yeah, there you go. That's a diced carrot. Now, piss off.